March. It's turbo perfect weather, and I have the absolute pleasure and honor of doing one last final shakedown of Jason's FTX700 Mark 5 R32. And my biggest struggle in life right now is the next generation of vehicles are not as inspiring as these early gens that were so analog. I can feel the pavement even in the Mark 5 with the electric power steering. I get a visceral interaction with the car. So when I want to get on it, I know what's happening. The car is giving me the feedback, and I can really blow off a little bit of steam. The FTX700 is really neat. We knock out the R32's factory DQ250 6-speed gearbox in favor of the later model Audi TT RS, which had the DQ500. So that's a 7-speed wet clutched DSG. It gives me 4 shafts to manage all the torque that this machine makes. Now I know we call these the FTX700, and you will see that on race fuel. On street fuel, we're sitting at about 600 horse, 600 foot-pound of torque right now. And that's more than enough to get me in the back seat of the old Federales. A little bit of a bumpy road here. KWV3s are doing what they do best. Keep me glued to the road. We might have to put a little EV here behind us. Bear with me for a moment. Nothing more than enjoyable than a brisk, sunny day drive. That's what burning fuel sounds like, my little EV brethren. Climbing up a hill, tight twisties, with this gearbox, the ratios are just perfect. They're not too long, they're not too short, but they keep me right in the power band of this EFR, which makes it absolutely a pleasure to drive because I can find grip, even with the advanced stability control that they'd applied to the Mark 5s. I have just enough balance front and rear to get that mechanical friction through the tires. Oh my God, they're doing such a low rate of speed and still crossing the double yellow. I'm enjoying this car more and more in manual mode every time I drive it, because I can dictate. I mean, S is great for the big long straightaways, but when you get into this twisty stuff, I like a nice high RPM for corner entry, and this motor just sings so nicely as it gets up there. Let's wait for the cyclist. What's going on, Vancouver? Give you a little bit of a blurble here. Yeah, if you want to get rid of a little bit of adrenaline, you take one of these for a drive. Ah, this 7-speed shifts so quickly. He's coming in with such confidence. Just feather your throttle as you're finding it. You won't fight it. Transition.